Hold on, take two people. I've just got to ask the director of a multi-billion-dollar company to repeat himself so we get it on YouTube.
Đây là cái hướng hợp tác rất tốt và chúng ta
Actually, very good cooperation between Bason, LLV, ODC, and your YouTube channel. We want to make a very good catamaran and to sell catamaran all around the world.
Exactly right, people. That's what we're all here for. If you've seen this guy in the video, this is Tony. He's from Sydney. He's looking at the Odyssey 55, right?
55, yeah.
Right. I haven't heard the Australian accent for such a long time, so give me some.
Good day, people.
Hey, that's my line. Cool. Maybe I should get them to make me one of those. You know, for pirates. I forgot to mention, people, I was mentioned in the speech. I don't want to brag, but I got the biggest applause.